Welcome back, students, to the last module of today's session. In this, let us learn about magnetization and magnetic intensity. Magnetization is nothing but dipole moment per unit volume. So, magnetization M is equivalent to small m divided by V, where small m represents the magnetic dipole moment and capital V represents the volume. Like electric susceptibility, we have magnetic susceptibility chi m, which is equivalent to magnetization divided by magnetic field strength, which is chi m is equivalent to m by h. Magnetic permeability mu is equivalent to magnetic induction divided by magnetic field strength. Mu is equivalent to B by H. And we know magnetic permeability is equivalent to mu 0 into mu r, where mu 0 is the permeability of free space and mu r is the relative permeability. Relative permeability mu r is equivalent to mu divided by mu naught. Mu represents permeability of the medium and mu naught represents permeability of free space. We know the value of mu naught is equivalent to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Relation between H, B and M is B is equivalent to mu naught into M plus H. M can be replaced by chi H. So B is equivalent to mu 0 into chi H plus H, which is equivalent to mu 0 H into 1 plus chi. Relative permeability and susceptibility. B is equivalent to mu H, which is equivalent to mu 0 mu r into H. Here mu r is equivalent to 1 plus chi. Magnetic susceptibility and magnetic permeability. To give a quantitative measure to the effects of materials on magnetic fields and to relate B, M and H, we define two additional quantities, mu, which is magnetic permeability, and chi, which is magnetic susceptibility. Magnetic field strength B is equivalent to mu into H, where H is the magnetic intensity, and magnetization M is equivalent to chi into H, where chi is the susceptibility and H is the magnetic intensity. In vacuum, suppose if a solenoid is kept, the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid is given by B naught is equivalent to mu naught into H. Here mu naught is the magnetic permeability of vacuum, H is the magnetic field intensity, and B naught is the magnetic induction in vacuum. If the solenoid is kept in any medium, then B is equivalent to mu H. If a magnetic material is kept inside the core of a solenoid, the total magnetic field produced is equivalent to mu naught into H plus M, where H is the magnetic field intensity and M is the magnetization, which can be written as B naught plus mu naught M, where B naught is equivalent to mu naught into H. So let us recapitulate. Magnetic permeability is the ability of a material to permit the passage of magnetic lines of force through it. magnetic permeability mu is equivalent to B by H, where B is the magnetic induction and H is the magnetizing force or magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity is the degree up to which a magnetic field can magnetize a material, and it is defined in terms of magnetic intensity as magnetic intensity H is equivalent to B divided by mu. Intensity of magnetization. The magnetic dipole moment developed per unit volume of the material is called intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization, capital M, is equivalent to small m by V, where small m is the magnetic dipole moment and V is the volume. Magnetic induction B is equivalent to mu naught into H plus M. Magnetic susceptibility chi m is defined as the ratio of intensity of magnetization induced in the material to the magnetizing force H applied. Magnetic susceptibility chi m is equivalent to m by H, and mu is equivalent to mu naught into 1 plus chi m. 1 plus chi m is replaced by mu r, which is the relative permeability. Hope you have understood about magnetization and magnetic intensity. With this, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you, dear students.